Have you embrace it and uncover the fascinating stories that await you? As you delve into your family tree, keep an eye out for these signs of wealth, large homes and estates. When researching your family tree, pay attention to where your ancestors lived. Did they own large homes or estates? This could indicate that they were wealthy landowners or members of the upper class. Look for records of property ownership, such as deeds and mortgages, to get a better sense of their financial status. Bank accounts and financial documents. If you're lucky, you might come across bank accounts or financial documents belonging to your ancestors. These can provide valuable insights into their wealth and financial management. Explore old photo albums and personal belongings for items like bank books, ledgers, and financial statements. These documents can reveal account balances, investments, and other financial assets, giving you a glimpse into their financial world. Trusts and estates. Trusts and estates are legal arrangements that can hold and manage assets for beneficiaries. Researching these can uncover hidden wealth that may have been passed down through generations. Examine probate records, estate files, and trust documents to see if any assets were held in these types of accounts. Look for clues in family documents and records. Family Bibles, yearbooks, and other personal belongings might hold valuable clues about your ancestors' wealth. These items often contain information about significant events, including marriages, deaths, and even financial transactions. For example, family Bibles sometimes include financial records, such as the value of property or so don't overlook these seemingly ordinary items when researching your family tree. They could lead you to some fascinating discoveries about your ancestors' wealth. By uncovering these signs of wealth in your family tree, you will gain a deeper understanding of your ancestors' lives and the financial legacies they may have left behind. Remember, every piece of information, no matter how small, can lead you to a significant discovery. So keep exploring, and you never know what hidden treasures you might find. If you have any thoughts, please leave them in the comments section below. We would love to hear from you. Also, please like and subscribe so you don't miss any new videos. Thank you for watching.